Hey everyone, so it's Jasmine and today I'm going to be partnering with Umberto Giannini to show you my results from the new banana range. So if you'd like to see how I got these results and more about their new range, please keep on watching. Let's get into it. Everything looks so amazing. So these are my final results from the range. I think my hair looks so nice, and this is my hair only about 70% dry, so once it's fully dry my curls are going to be popping. It's going to be running through all of the products for you so you know what exactly you get in this new range and what to expect, what the ingredients are, and some of the benefits from having this range. Right, you've got the shampoo, you've got the conditioner, they've also released a co-wash which is amazing for curly girls, the banana butter that you leave in your hair, and also the new Scalp hair food oil. As a whole, this whole range can be used for any hair type. So if you've got dry hair, straight hair, curly hair, any type of hair that needs a lot of moisture, this is the range for you. It's 97% natural, containing coconut oil and banana extract, so it's free from all sulfates, parabens, silicone. If you have curly hair, you shouldn't be using a lot of products with any sulfates or parabens or silicones because it dries out your hair even more and it can make your hair very brittle. So that's amazing that this range doesn't have that, bar 3%, which I am so happy with. It's designed to nourish and restore the moisture in your hair so it's easier to manage. My hair definitely gets very dry, very brittle very easily, and frizzy, so just having something that's easy to use, a quick wash day, and I'll get the results that I need, I really appreciate, because it can take me so long to get a good hair day, especially when the weather's acting up and my hair needs extra moisture. I'm just going to go through the products one by one. So starting off with the shampoo. So again, it's got the banana extract, coconut oil, and it's 97% natural, and it's for dry, frizzy and textured hair, packed with vitamins A, C and B complex, and the conditioner has vitamin E antioxidants in it as well. So this whole range, you're going to get a whole cocktail of vitamins, which is amazing for your hair to nourish and make it shiny and moisturize it, and also as well, more vitamins in your hair helps to grow your hair longer and have healthier, stronger hair, which is great. So just how you'd usually use it, you literally just obviously shampoo while you're in the shower, massage your scalp, and then with the conditioner you just put that in straight after. This conditioner actually doesn't say a specific time that you need to leave it in for, so it's really give or take depending on your hair texture, your hair type, how long you want to leave this in, and if you want to wash it out completely or if you want to leave it in a little bit. I usually leave a little bit of conditioner in my hair just to help with the moisture, and these are my results from it. Next they have the co-wash, which is so exciting. I'm actually going to be showing my results with this in a few days because I've just washed my hair today, so I don't need to co-wash it. With this, it's very easy. It's filled with again, rich in potassium, vitamin A, C and B complex, perfect for moisturizing and softening your hair. It helps to repair dry and damaged hair and retain hydration, and also promote silky soft hair and combat the frizz. This sounds like it's got everything in it. I'm excited to use this because day 4 hair, day 3 hair, my hair is struggling, so I'm definitely going to be excited to use this. So it's got shea butter in it, which is why it's amazing for doing all of those things, and it's also got coconut oil in it and banana extract. So obviously the coconut oil has vitamin E in it as well, and it adds to the shine in your hair. So with the co-wash, if you're new to co-wash, so this is more directed towards curly hair, which is amazing because us curly girls literally get the most driest hair, and like I said, on day 3, 4 hair, even 2 sometimes, your hair can look like a hot mess after it being in the bonnet and friction. It can get really frizzy, so it's good to have a co-wash just to rejuvenate your curls again. Just explaining what the co-wash does and how you use the co-wash. One, you basically apply it to wet hair and massage it into the scalp and then rinse it. and you're supposed to use it if your hair has an extra buildup of product, and repeat until necessary. So I would probably just use this once and quickly just run it through my hair, and then put in the leave-in conditioner again and the oil, so my hair is fresh. And this can be used 2 to 3 times a week apparently. For me personally, I don't need to co-wash 2 or 3 times a week. I can go a few days without co-washing and just retouching my hair with oil and the leave-in conditioner. I'm usually good until my next wash day. And it says specifically on here that it's for coily and textured hair. So yeah, as a whole, this sounds amazing. And again, it's 97% natural. I'm really excited to use this. Their new banana scalp and hair superfood vitamin oil. So again, everything smells like banana. It's got banana extract and coconut oil, so it's just a really nice smelling range. I absolutely love it. If you like banana and you like the smell of like ice cream and stuff, girl, this is for you. This is for you because it smells amazing. This vitamin oil for the scalp and hair, packed with powerful oils to help maintain a healthy scalp and combat dryness. It instantly nourishes, restores hair health, softness and shine. So I applied this as soon as I came out of the shower on fresh scalp, and I also think this would be amazing to use halfway during the week when you're touching up your hair. If your hair's feeling a little bit dry during the week, this will be great for it. So you can use it on your scalp, or you can use it on your ends and just as a normal oil. It says, for an intense scalp treatment, you section the hair and apply the oil directly to the clean dry scalp, which I'll show you later on in this video how I did that. And it's a very lightweight oil. That's what I really like about this, that it's lightweight. It's a bit like argan oil. It's very lightweight and it just adds the right amount of shine, and it's not too heavy on your hair, but it does the job. It makes it shiny and moisturized. And you only need 2 to 3 drops. Me personally, I used quite a lot just because this is my first time using it. Next time I probably won't use as much. It's just when you're trying out the products, you need to see what works for your hair. I'll show you later how much I used, and this is how it came out, and I really enjoyed it. It felt so nice on the scalp. Last but not least, this is the famous superfood leave-in conditioner, and again, this smells like a dream, and it feels amazing on your hair. It's got a really nice slip when your hair's wet. It's got coconut oil, Shampoo, butter. I'm really sorry if I pronounced that wrong. I tried. It's got Brazil nut oil, banana, shea butter and coconut oil. Yeah, with this you just apply it to wet hair, you smooth it and coat every single curl. It's supposed to restore the bounce and shine and make your hair more manageable, especially for thirsty curls as well. So again, this is specifically for curly hair. It's supposed to defrizz your hair and yeah, just add loads of moisture. So that was all of the range for you. So I hope you got like a little insight of what you're gonna get in this new range. It has amazing benefit from it. It's literally packed with so many vitamins. It does all the right things for your hair, especially if you have dry hair. To get this range, you can go on Amazon or you can shop on Boots. But if you go on the Umberto Giannini website, you can get 30% off, which is great. Obviously, you can save your coin. And yeah, so this was my results. If you want to see how I styled my hair, how I used the products, please keep on watching. Thank you so much, Umberto Giannini, for letting me try the new range. I absolutely love it. Nothing but positive opinions and thoughts on this. And I can't wait for all the curly girls and all the girls that have dry hair to try this out, because it's amazing. Quick wash day. Please continue to watch if you want to see how I got these results. First off, all I can say is that it smells like banana milkshake or like banana ice cream. The texture of it already, just with the conditioner, seems really nice. It doesn't seem like too heavy or anything like that. It just seems like a really nice texture. I'm excited to see what these products can do for me. Hopefully you can see. Let me turn this up so you can really see like what my hair would be looking like. Obviously, just off the bat, you can see how dry my hair is. Yeah, so this is what my hair looking like. Hardly any definition, dry, just need some help at this point. Back to show you my results after. Okay, I'm back. Nothing but good opinions on this. Just definitely, I feel like if you're a curly hair girl like me, you definitely will use this quickly. So, because it's not very thick, so I found like I used quite a lot. Like yeah. This is the first time I've used it, and I used a lot in my hair. So now I'm going to take my hair out of this and use the Superfood Vitamin Hair Oil. I'm going to put this on my roots and my ends because my hair is so dry. So my hair is just wet, as you can see, freshly washed hair. Let's just do that. If I'm looking over there, by the way, it's because I have a mirror. I like the applicator because it's easy to just run it through your scalp. If you can see, like, you can just squeeze it and go like that. So I'm just going to do the roots first. It feels really nice on your scalp. Like, it feels really nice on your scalp. I'm just going to massage this. How long does it say? Massage with fingertips in circular movements. I'll just massage it. Okay. Now I'm going to apply it to the other rest of my hair. So I'm just going to get it like that. And then rub it together and coat my hair. Now I'm gonna get famous shea butter. Smooth through wet hair and glide through with your fingers. Detangle and coat every curl. So it's literally like a butter, like melted butter. It feels really nice. Oh, maybe it's a bit too much, but I have a lot of hair, so. For me, that looks pretty good. So then I'm just gonna scrunch it at the end. I'm just run it. Curls are looking juicy, baby. Let's see if you can see. Hopefully you can see. Compared to this side, juicy. That's me done. I'm gonna go and diffuse my hair now. But yeah, this is what it's looking like now while it's wet. I will be back when my hair is diffused and dry. Okay, so I'm back and this is what my hair is looking like. I think the results came out so nice. It's about 60% dry right now, so it's not 100%, because I'll be here for hours waiting otherwise. This is the result so far. So if you can see, my hair looks so defined and my curls have come out really nice. My hair smells amazing, and yeah, this is the results. So far I'm really happy with this whole collection. Yeah, I'm gonna be excited to use this in a few days. I'll probably use it in like 4 days because I only wash my hair once a week, so I'll probably use this on like 4-day hair. Hey everyone, so yeah, it's day 5 hair here, and I just wanted to show you my results from using the Nourishing Superfood Co-Wash. I really like how it came out. I'll just show you so you can see. My hair texture, how it turned out. When I was using the product, I felt like it was really nice on my scalp. It wasn't too heavy, left my hair feeling really soft, smelling amazing, like everything in this range. And yeah, I was really happy. I feel like it's a perfect co-wash, not too heavy, does what it needs to and gets rid of all the build-up like it says. And I'm definitely excited to be using this again when I need a quick co-wash. These are the results. So this is the side. Let me stand up. So this is the side. Back. You see my hair looks really nice. And then you can see here, I feel like my hair's come out really nice. Really happy with the results. If you have any questions about it, let me know. But other than that, I'm so happy with this range. I think it came out lovely. I absolutely love my results. Very easy wash and go. So if you're looking for a wash and go that requires not that much time, it's easy and does the job, smells good, and it's for dry hair, moisturizes your hair, this is definitely a good go-to. I'm gonna definitely be using this for the next few wash days. Thank you so much, Umberto, for sending me these products. If you're a curly girl like me, or if you have really dry hair, I definitely recommend this range for you. Head over to Umberto's website and their Instagram to see more curly girls and more girls trying out this range. And don't forget to follow me on Insta if you want to see more hair tips, and go and check out their whole new range. This is so exciting, and I hope everyone loves it as much as I do. Have a lovely day.